First, rewrite the cube root of x as x to the power of 1/3. This gives us x to the power of 5 divided by x to the power of 1/3 equals x squared. Next, apply the quotient rule of exponents. This means we subtract the exponents when dividing with the same base. So we have x to the power of 5 minus 1/3 equals x squared. Simplify the exponent. 5 minus 1/3 is 14/3. Now we have x to the power of 14/3 equals x squared. Now, divide both sides of the equation by x squared. This isolates 1 on the right side. Apply the quotient rule of exponents again on the left side. Remember, dividing exponents with the same base means subtracting the powers. Express 2 as 6/3, which gives us a common denominator. Simplify the exponent. 14/3 minus 6/3 is 8/3. This gives x to the power of 8/3 equals 1. Raise both sides of the equation to the power of 3/8 to isolate x. Any root of 1 is simply 1. Therefore, x equals 1. First, express the fourth root of x as x to the power of 1/4. Our equation becomes x to the power of 7 divided by x to the power of 1/4 equals x to the power of 4. Apply the quotient rule of exponents. Remember, dividing exponents with the same base requires subtracting the powers. So x to the power of 7 minus 1/4 equals x to the power of 4. Express 7 as 28/4 to get a common denominator. Simplify the exponent. 28/4 minus 1/4 is 27/4. Now we have x to the power of 27/4 equals x to the power of 4. Now divide both sides of the equation by x to the power of 4. This isolates 1 on the right side. Apply the quotient rule of exponents once more. This means subtracting exponents when dividing with the same base. Express 4 as 16/4 to have a common denominator. Simplify the exponent. 27/4 minus 16/4 is 11/4. Now x to the power of 11 over 4 equals 1. Any root of 1 is equal to 1. Therefore, x equals 1. First, rewrite the square root of x as x to the power of 1/2. That makes the equation x to the power of 9 divided by x to the power of 1/2 equals x to the power of 6. Next, apply the quotient rule of exponents, which states that when dividing exponents with the same base, subtract the powers. That becomes x to the power of 9 minus 1/2 equals x to the power of 6. Express 9 as 18 over 2, which creates a common denominator for the exponents. Now simplify the exponent. 18 over 2 minus 1 over 2 is 17 over 2. So x to the power of 17 over 2 equals x to the power of 6. Divide both sides by x to the power of 6 to get 1 on the right side of the equation. Apply the quotient rule of exponents on the left-hand side again. Remember, when dividing exponents with the same base, subtract the powers. Express 6 as 12 over 2 to obtain a common denominator for the exponents. Now, simplify the exponent. 17 over 2 minus 12 over 2 is 5 over 2. This means x to the power of 5 over 2 equals 1. Any root of 1 equals 1. Thus, x equals 1.